Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is the processing of flower garden. Everyone loves flowers at flower gardens. It makes one's morning beautiful. A flower garden is made in the following way. First, a good location that gets the appropriate amount of sunlight is chosen. Then the weeds are removed from the soil and the land is leveled. After that, the soil is prepared by digging it and adding fertilizers. Next, seeds and seedlings of the chosen varieties are bought from the market or nurseries. Then holes are dug in the soil and the seeds and seedlings are planted. After that, more soil is added on top. Then the plants are watered and fenced around the garden. Finally, the plants are taken care of so that they can produce beautiful flowers. Now the flower garden is ready. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me, comment and subscribe.